Hi guys, today we are making potli samosa. So the required ingredients are, this is half kg of maida, black salt, curry leaves, ginger garlic paste, coriander leaves, 500 grams of potato, 250 grams of carrot, 250 grams of cabbage. Now we are taking 1 cup of sweet corn, 1 cup of peas, red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, jeera, salt and ghee. The next step is take a pressure cooker, add the potatoes, add carrots, and add the cabbage. Now add water to it. Now add water to it. You can see the quantity of water. Now take 3 whistles of it. Now close the cooker and take 3 whistles of it. The next step is, now take the maida, add salt to it. Just 1 teaspoon of salt. Ghee. Now we are adding ghee. 4 teaspoons of ghee. Now mix it well. Now add water. Now you can see the dough, it is done, and make sure that your dough looks same like this. Now we have to close and keep this aside for 15 minutes. Giving 3 whistles to it, you can see how it looks. Make sure that you take only 3 to 4 whistles. Now after doing this, you have to remove water from it. Take a strain and remove water from it. Now take a pan, add oil, so you need to add 1 tablespoon of oil. 2 tablespoons. Add 1 teaspoon of jeera, 1 to 1.5. Add the green peas to it. Add curry leaves. Now add green peas to it. And mix it well. Now add corn to it. Add ginger garlic paste and mix it well. Make it brown. It should look brownish in color. Now press the vegetables which we have boiled. Now you can see how it looks. Brown. So you can see the light brown color. Now add the vegetables to it. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Better add 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. 3 teaspoons of red chili powder. Add black salt to it. You can add half teaspoon of black salt and salt to taste. Now mix it well. Add coriander leaves to it. And mix it well. Now make the small pieces of the dough and do like this. Now you can see the filling is ready. So now we are going to fill this in that. Carefully how to do it. So you have to fold in this way. See, and you have to press in the middle. Now you can see the potli is ready. Heat the oil completely and now put the samosas into it. Yeah, now it's ready. You can see the samosas. So it has a potli shape and it is completely ready.
वीडियो देखी होगी और मुझे पक्का पता है कि आपको पसंद आई है रेसिपी का नाम तो क्या है, पोटली समोसा, और ये कितनी अच्छी दिखती है, क्यूट। और मैं आपको एक पहले बता दूं कि मुझे पता है वीडियो इंग्लिश में शूट हुई है क्योंकि मेरी दादी माँ दूसरे घर में है और मैं दूसरे घर में हूँ, इसलिए इंग्लिश में स्पीकिंग हो रही है। और पर आपने एंजॉय किया ना, मुझे पता है आपने एंजॉय किया। तो एंजॉय करने के बाद क्या करना है, लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल एंड बाय बाय।